Everyone, once again I'm back, and right now I am baking the Tajik bread, the one that I have shown you earlier. So this is non-par, right? So this is non-par, and we do it like this. Then after that we will put it like this. Then one more time. Then do like this. Then okay, but I don't know how to put it in, so they will basically put it like this. Yordam ko na dapat. Oh, okay. Hi everyone, once again this is Hannah and I'm back with another video, and this is very special because right now I'm cooking Tajik osh. Come a little bit closer. So see, this is rice, then this is carrots, as well as the meat. Okay, so this is how we cook Tajik osh, with a very big cast iron or a very big casserole like this. Then we cook it like this. So basically this is how to cook osh. Thank you for once again. This is Hannah and I'm back with kurut. This is the cheese ball. We call it kurut in Tajikistan, in Uzbekistan, and in Central Asia. And in order to make this national food, this is called kurtob. So what they do is, with bare hands, the cheese ball or the kurut, they will dissolve it in water like this. Continue dissolving and dissolving until all of these watery one would be the base of kurtob. So after this, what they will do is fatir, or the bread. They will cut it or tear it into small pieces, then put it here. Then with tomatoes, onions, herbs, and spices. They also put it here with little bit of oil. Then that would be the famous kurtob. It is kurutob from the word kurot, the cheese ball. So it's very good food, and I myself, I like it. And Tajiks, they do love it. And it's really tasty. The best kurtob honai in Tajikistan is in Yaksadudu, kurtob honai Nur, kurtob honai Ulim, and all of the kurtob hona there. But in each Tajik houses, they do kurot like this. So once again, thank you for watching. This is Hannah. Have a great day.